Another day, another YouTube critique video to do. Let's get on with it. See how it goes, eh? Hi and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be doing a YouTube critique video for the unique journey with Clare Downham. Well, this is another one of my YouTube critique videos which I've been doing. If you want to check out the rest of that playlist, I will leave a little handy card up above so you can check those out. Remember, if you do get something out of this video today, hit that like button because it helps to show my channel and my videos to other like-minded individuals like yourself who are researching how to grow their YouTube channel. If you also fancy supporting my channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to be alerted every time I upload a new video. So without further ado guys, let's jump into the video and check out Clare's YouTube channel Unique Journey. So we're here on the YouTube channel for Unique Journey with Clare Downham, and first of all we can see that she's got a nice header and it tells people what she does. She's a transformational coach and there is a website. So if you want to find out more about Clare, there is a website. You can go to uniquejourney.co.uk. Also leave a card above now if you want to check out her YouTube channel, so if you want to check that out, go ahead. So we're on the Unique Journey YouTube channel now. We're going to have a bit of a look around. So firstly, we're on the home page. So we've got a home page here with the standard uploads. This is a section here. So this could be improved on. You could have lots of different sections to your home page. If you want to know how to add sections to your YouTube channel homepage, I've done a video on this, so check out the link in the card now. I'll also leave a handy link in the description to this video as well. So looking at the videos here on the video section, there's plenty of content and it does appear that she's been uploading on a regular basis for the last 2 years. Now from a popular video perspective, the biggest video is 39 views and that's from over a year ago. This tells me that YouTube is probably not seeing the content in the best possible light. Maybe the tags are not in order, maybe the titles aren't in order, and the description aren't in order, or it may be a combination of all of these things working against Clare at the moment. Let's have a look inside playlists. So here she's got 3 different playlists. So a good idea in this section here would be to break up the content into maybe anxiety and stress related playlists, and that would help separate up the content so YouTube could understand what the content is all about from a playlist perspective. I've just arrived at the About section in this YouTube channel, and it appears to me that there is no text or links within this section of YouTube. This is a really good place to add a description which tells YouTube and other YouTubers what your channel is all about. By using really strong keywords and phrases, you can embed what you do in your channel. Also in the About section is where you would put handy links. You can link to all your different social platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook or Instagram, or you can also link to parts of your website. And also when you do add the links to the About section, you will also get them here in the cover, which will be able to take people to the different places that you want them to navigate to. As I've been recording these YouTube critique videos, I've been discovering some common threads. So what I've been doing while I've been creating these videos is creating spin-off videos about all the different techniques that you can use. Another one of these videos that you could use is how to write a YouTube description. I will leave a card above now. If you want to check out that video, this will help you to form a description for your YouTube channel using keywords and phrases. So go, please check that video out. There'll also be a link in the description to this video as well. So now that we've taken a little overview of the YouTube channel, I'd like to delve a little bit deeper into some of the content. So let's look at one of the videos within the channel. So in front of us now, we have got one of her videos, which has had 13 views, which is simply named What is Hypnotherapy? I'm using a tool by TubeBuddy, which shows me what tags are or aren't being used on each video. And in this video, there are no tags at all. So that's one of the things that you need to work on in order to show YouTube what your video is about. I'd also like to point out that there is no description either for this video. To help Clare, I've gone through this video and taken a few notes, and I've put some tags together and an example description that may help this video get found more on YouTube. In the document that you can see in front of you now, this is something I've been working on. I've went through the video that Clare's done on what is hypnotherapy, and I've taken a few notes. I've also started to create a few tags around the content as well. The content goes through what is hypnotherapy, talk about feedback loop, benefits and values, conscious mind, subconscious mind, What can hypnotherapy help? And is hypnotherapy for me? What I would recommend is taking these tags and putting them into your YouTube video. The tags can be found right at the bottom of the video in the tags section. Once you've added the tags to the video, it's time to add the description as well. What I'm going to show you now is how we add some of the tags and keywords and phrases into the description and also the title, which helps it all sync together. So here's my description example. In this video, I answer the question, what is hypnotherapy? Now there's a keyword and a tag that we've already used. I'm going to put that in bold. I teach you about the conscious and subconscious mind, which is also some of the keywords we're using, your beliefs and values. So beliefs and values is a tag as well. And the mind's feedback loop. So that's also a tag as well. So we're linking the tags into the description as well. Now in the second paragraph, we've got, if you've ever wondered, is hypnotherapy for me? So there is a question that may be typed into YouTube. This video will help you make the right decision and see what can hypnotherapy help with. So we've got here, what can hypnotherapy help? That's another tag there which we've included in the tags and in the description. So to add this description, it's literally you just type that description into the first part of your YouTube. And this is another place you can send people with adding a subscribe link or linking it to one of your discovery sessions as well. Another tip for this channel I would recommend is to include some keywords in the channel as well as the videos. If you want to learn how to create keywords and tags for your YouTube channel, follow the link in the card now to the video that I've created there. When you create keywords and channel tags for your YouTube channel, it helps YouTube identify who you are and what kind of content that you create for this platform. It also triggers the algorithm to send more people to you and identifying what you do on this platform. That's just about it from this video, but I'm just going to do a quick summary of the things that you should be concentrating on this channel, Claire. First place to start would be to start adding tags and a description to your YouTube video, adding some channel tags to your YouTube channel, adding some sections to your homepage, possibly adding some more playlists which separate the different content in the stress and anxiety, add a description which includes keywords and phrases to your YouTube channel so you can tell YouTube what your content is about and what people can expect to learn from you. Also adding your website and social media links as well, so helping people to discover who you are and book onto one of your discovery calls. That's it from this YouTube critique video for the unique journey with Clare Downham. If you got something out of this video, please hit the like button. That will help my channel and it will also help distribute this video to other like-minded individuals that are looking to grow their YouTube channel. If you want to support my channel, please hit subscribe, turn on the notifications so you can be alerted every time I upload another video. And I will look forward to seeing you and creating another video to help you on your journey. Take care guys, stay safe and see you soon.